Hello everyone, welcome to this series on how to build your own personal training website. So this series is really going to take you from the start to the finish of your project and get a website so you can take subscriptions, you can have a membership area, and you can write your own blogs, put your own branding to a website. So this is really going to be a quick overview of that website and see if it's something that interests you and if it's worth your time to go ahead with it. So I'm going to go through it now. We'll just cut to the video or to the website here in the background. So this is the website here. So it's really a very simple website that I've built for a few clients in the past, but they're really, all these PT websites, they're relatively the same and they do the same things. So this is why I'm trying to replicate that for people at home to do themselves that don't need to hire a professional, web developer to make one directly for them every time, because really these kinds of websites can be replicated and you can put your logo on them and change a few things and it's yours. It's exactly what you'd be getting if you hired someone like me for a couple of months to build this for you. So I've done all the hard work. I've built this website and I'll show you exactly how to do that yourself as well. So anyway, we'll go through it here. So obviously we've got the homepage here, which goes through and shows, the main layout for the business. So reach your true potential. You can change all this stuff in the admin area, but I'll just go through it now. So more illustrations just to give a background to the website. Also your social media. Obviously being a personal trainer, you'll know how important social media is. Just by adding a few links to the admin area, this will populate to yours on the front end of the website. Just a few more bullet points. Obviously, the homepage is really about getting across you and your brand to show what you're about. So we'll go down to the more kind of generic things that happen on a personal trainer website, which is transformations and transformation stories that really inspire others to do the same. So here we've added 3 transformations and they obviously come up with their name and exactly what their goal was. You can see the wee target there beside their goal. Further down then you can show our tested programs. Again, you can change all this text in the admin area once you get set up. Further on down then shows basically the main meat and potatoes of the website and the reason why you're probably here. So you can sell, actually we'll skip to this here. This is our wee small to-do list of what exactly you can do. So you can sell subscription-based products. So that could be, like a one-to-one or even just a members area, access to, premium content that you've made. It could be like a weekly workout that you do or, stuff like that, videos. Anyway, but we can get into that further on the series. Again, premium members area, so that's anybody who has an active subscription will have access to premium members area. There's a free blogs area, so you'll obviously be making free content as well to kind of lure people in to go for the more premium bespoke content. You can sell one-off programs, so that's you making like a PDF ebook about like a 10-day kickstart or a 10 or a 6-month transformation program, and that's one you can make once and sell 100, 200, 500 times, whatever it is. You can sell one-to-one PT sessions at a recurring price or even one-off. So say you sell a block of 10, so that could be 10 months worth of PT sessions or 10 individual PT sessions where you might get on Skype or Zoom with these people, and so hopefully that will help. Going through here, you can add social media links like we said before, easily style the website to match your brand, and add clients' transformation photos to inspire new clients. So anyway, we'll go back to the website. We'll click about. So here we'll go to fitness plans. Now obviously when you add your own products, these will all populate here and you can add your own photos. You can change the colors of these, you can change the logo and all the text. But anyway, like I said, further videos down the line, but I kind of want to get across exactly how how to change or what you can change on this website, because obviously there's going to be some limitations, but I think I've covered a lot of what might be needed, or 90% of what might be needed for these kind of websites. So again, just these 3 products. So lean in 16 weeks could be £49. You can click into that, and I'll give you a small overview how much the product is, a picture of someone taking part in your program, and any reviews. These can be disabled in the admin area, but if you like to have reviews live in your website, you can take them there. We'll go back to some of the fitness products that we have. So online PT subscription. So for £99 per month, or whatever you like to charge, you can sign up now, and that every month £99 will be debited from that person's account as a premium member. And I'll take you through that in a few moments, just to show exactly what people can get. Again, underneath most pages, you'll basically have the members' transformations on our tested programs. I can see it for being very important to really tell people more than once exactly how good your transformations are and what people can expect from your service. So you can go into, because maybe you have more than 3 transformations, so you could have a full list of transformations in here, and then we'll go further and further down. You can click into them and get a bit more of a backstory into what exactly that person did, their starting weight, their current weight. And obviously these are, for some people, might be a bit of a private thing, but you can just leave them out. They're not required. They're set up to, hide if nothing's added. Some more text on basically what Kevin did to, achieve his goals, and a date and time. Okay, so we'll go back through to the members only area, and you'll see error comes up. To access this page, you must purchase the online PT subscription. So the good part of this website is that it takes the subscription model and also layers that on to a membership. So you must have an active subscription, so they're actively paying for that month-to-month basis. And once they finish that subscription, their access will be revoked from these kind of premium content. So that obviously keeps people coming back and paying more and more. The blog area, this is the free content, so you can see the difference between the members only and blog. I'm not logged in at the minute, so I'm not a paying member as such as at the minute, but we'll go through that. Consistency pays off. So this is a blog that was added in the admin area, and we'll definitely be going through that in a future video, how to add members content and how to add blogging content. So we can click into that, and you can see that the title goes to the top. More kind of upselling on the right hand side of what products that you have on offer. So this could be a workout plan, and you can add different categories so your clients can know exactly what that plan's all about at a glance. So you can go through, you can add this is called actually I'll not even go into that right now, but you can format text very easily, and I'm sure you'd have all done that somewhere online before. Okay, so obviously you can create an account and you can also sign up. So we'll actually go back to the fitness plans and sign up for the online PT subscription here. So we can sign up to that now. I think I actually have one already in my basket here, yeah. So I'll actually remove one of those and update the basket. So you can see the subtotal that it supports a 30-day free trial. That means, that person will have access to the premium content for 30 days, test the waters, and then see if they want to go ahead with it, £99 per month. On top of that, you can remove the 30-day free trial, so it's only paid content or only paid users that can access the content. So we'll go ahead and proceed to checkout. But that is a good way to kind of get involved. So the website does support coupon codes. So you can create, you know, a 10% offer, or even a free trial offer in the admin area of this website. Again, another video, we can do that there. That's good for marketing. So let's add my name. Okay, so that's some. Okay, so we can create an account here. So this is going to be our password for that account. So I'm just going to, forgot that password already. Anyway, so we'll go through to your order. So that just gives them an outline of exactly what they're purchasing and what they can expect, as well as their first renewal date being very important. So we're using both. Well, I'll show you how to use both Stripe and PayPal. Both very good payment providers. Stripe being the cheaper of the two, and you can also take payments directly on the page. But again, another video will go through exactly how to do that. But this is a test mode at the minute, so no payments will be going through. So I can then type in this test Visa card. Agree to the terms and conditions and sign up. So an account is already registered with that email address. Yep. So I'll just change this to Ryan1 and then sign up again. So this is just going off to the Stripe, validating the card and coming back again. So that's us. So as you can see, thank you for your order. It's been received. Some more order details, exactly the payment method that we used. And that's all good there. So now that's going to give us access to the premium content area, and that's obviously going to be something that you'll put a lot of effort into so that people can really get their money's worth for this kind of thing. But again, completely up to yourself what you do and what you sell. Okay, so we can view the subscription in the My Account. So at the top right hand side here, once people are logged in, they'll be able to see their dashboard, their orders, their membership, their active subscription, update any kind of payment methods through this area, through their account, any kind of, you know yourself, if you've been in a website, you can do all these kind of things from your account. You shouldn't have to phone up someone to update your card details, or you shouldn't have to phone someone or email someone to, you know, change something. So that's all done through their account. So they can obviously cancel their payments or change their payment method, show their active subscriptions and their memberships. So we'll click into My Membership here. So My Account shows the members only page, so they can view that directly here, or at the top of the page they can go to the members only area. So there we have it. So premium members only area, now we're logged in, has these blogs, and in these blogs you can add videos, you can add workouts, you can, you know, you would probably have a good idea of when you're creating your business to what exactly your premium content is going to be. It might not even be, you know, the blog style. It might be where you're contacting a person every week, or, you know, once a month to make sure their training is going well. So hopefully this all makes sense and it's not a shock to the system. I've made a couple of these websites now for from, you know, a bespoke style for people, but they've all really consisted of the same thing. They want a members area, they want to take subscriptions, and they want to take payments online. And this website really takes all of that into account. So in the next video, I'm actually going to show you how to set up your website from scratch. So that's like buying your domain, setting up WordPress, and installing this website that I've built. So I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully you'll come along for the journey. Anyway, cheers. Thank you very much. Bye.